Hello and welcome to another video about Python basics for beginners. In this video we will explore functions in Python. Let's dive in. Functions are like little helpers in your code. They do specific tasks, make your code neat, and save you from repeating the same steps over and over. To define a function, use the def keyword followed by the function name and parentheses. Then, add the code you want the function to run inside the indentation block. And then outside of the function, in your code, you can call this function like this. Functions can accept data inputs, called parameters. When we call the function, we pass arguments to these parameters. Here, name is the parameter, and Alice is the argument passed when calling the function. You can use multiple parameters, so that you can pass multiple arguments in a Python function. Here we are using two parameters. And when we are calling the function, we are passing two arguments and the function is printing the sum of those arguments. By using functions we can process some data and get back a result. That's where return values come in. The return keyword lets the function send a result back to the caller. This result can be stored in a variable or used directly. We can also set default values for parameters, so the function has a fallback value if no argument is passed. Functions make our code more reusable and modular. Today, we learned how to create functions, pass data with parameters, and use return values. In the next episode, we'll dive into more advanced tasks. Don't forget to practice writing your own functions.